So I'll pop this camera off the tripod and take a quick walk around here and show you what I'm talking about. First, let me walk you through the challenge over here. When we walk outside the front door, we've got this is the boiler room. This is how most of them are done in this kind of house in Seoul. This this boiler, it has a number of lines, and it runs through the floor to a manifold inside this bathroom, right? And so we want to split out that manifold so that this room can have its own heat, its own thermostat control. And here is the little bathroom in this one. And off to the right of the bathroom is the perfect size for a cooktop, countertop, and laundry right in there. And of course, we'll run the plumbing from there into these drains over here. So very doable. The boiler room is just on the other side of this. When I showed you the boiler room outside, so the plumber will turn that. Maybe he'll put the other one. He'll make room, right? He's confident he can do it. And so the way that we're going to do this now, walk back out here. We had considered a couple of different ways on how to arrange this, the new entryway, because obviously we had, right, the lock on this outside door. And now that lock is going to come off, and this is going to be a common area. These windows were pretty expensive. So the original idea was to cut these windows in half and put a doorway in right here. And we didn't entertain that idea too long because the windows were so expensive, and then what are we going to do with the two that we take out? So anyway, rather than that, I think the plan now is to take this door off, and both tenants will walk in here, and then immediately to the right. So we're gonna build a wall like this. Yeah. So I don't know, maybe difficult to see. So we're gonna have a wall here, a wall there. We'll have an entryway door there to get into this apartment, and an entry door there. So I swinging this way to get into that apartment. All right. So that's what we're starting with. Thanks for watching. This will be a pretty quick job, so it'll only take a couple of episodes to get you through the project. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe for the next episode. I'll see you soon. That's a wrap. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, Johnson. It's a wrap.